Here's our video demonstration of the Limberg BlueM oven. I replaced the temperature controller here, and I have a copy of the manual. So right now what I'm doing is I'm running it in a single set point mode at 80 degrees C. As you can see, it's at 80 now and in a hold position. If you notice the alarm 1 is on, that is being used as an event in this case. So the alarm 1 has to be on in order for the contactor to enable the current flow through the SSR. If the alarm 1 is off, you'll get no heating. And the other thing is the on-off switch is a 110 volt system. The maximum temperature inside here is 300 degrees Celsius. This does have a locking mechanism on the side. Right now, you can see the green light is on. The timer is timed out, so it's not locked right now. It's able to open it. If you look inside, you see that there's one shelf. And I don't know if you can hear the convection flow. So typically to lock the system, I have it set on the program A. If it's inside here, you won't be able to see it. Let me go ahead and get a screwdriver real quick. Again, if the light is on, it means it's open. The solenoid's open. Just to show you how it's programmed real quick. It's using a timer, the Omron timer here, and I have it set to A and 30 seconds. So the S here is seconds. You can change that to minutes, tenth of a minute, tenth of an hour, and an hour. So we're just going to keep it on seconds for now, so I'll let it time out for 30 seconds. There is a bit here. If you need to open this for any reason here, you can go ahead and open it by using the bit. That's the Torx bit. So again, it's on A, 30 seconds, so it'll just keep it locked for 30 seconds. The way to initiate the lock is to go ahead and hit the manual reset. Just close this up real quick. So for instance, if you're at your holding temperature, go ahead and close your door, lock it here, and then go ahead and hit the manual reset. At this point, the light goes out. Try to open it. It's being held by the lock. This is powered separately by a 110 line, so you'll have two 110 plugs here, one for the lock and one for the system, the oven. So as you can see, it's counting down. When it hits the 30 seconds, the light will turn on, and you'll be able to open the oven. Oh, just one thing. We'll go ahead and wait for that. There you go. So now the light is on, and I'll be able to go ahead and open it. See it opens. Close it up. You want to restart again, start the timer, go ahead and hit the manual reset. Just one thing to point out. The only thing I really programmed here was in step 1, which is CO1, 80 degrees. And if you go ahead and hit this set here, the time is set to -61. This is explained in the manual. What this does is allow it to stay in hold with the alarm 1 event acting as an event 1. Okay, that's about it for the demonstration. All right, a little bit more about it. I just wanted to explain a little bit more about this temperature controller and run the temperature up to a higher temperature. Again, it will go up to 300 C. Here's your manual. You'll receive a copy of this. If you happen to lose it, you can go to Auber Instruments and you can find it online. The way to change the temperature while it's in hold is you'll go ahead and hit and hold the up arrow until it stops. Once you hit stop, you hit the AM button. When you're at CO1, go ahead and you can change your temperature. And I'll run this all the way up to 300. Just to test that it does reach the maximum temperature. Okay, hit the AM again, we'll just verify that it's on. Oh, hang on a second. Oh, by hitting the AM button, you can change your decimals here. Let's just make sure it's there. We'll hit set. It's at -61 where it needs to be. Again, that's going to enable the alarm one, which will act as an event one here. Enable the heating. And all right, so now we're in stop. Again, we change it to 300 to hit run. Go ahead and hold the down arrow. Now it ran real quick and it went to hold. That's because of the -61 that's in there. But you'll see that the temperature will start rising. The alarm one is on and your output is on. So we can come back in a few minutes and we'll see that it's at a higher temperature. So you see it's up to 269 and rising, 270 now. It'll eventually hit 300. It's been about 15 minutes. So we want to get this posted tonight, this video, so we'll verify it hits 300.